Melissa. I'm the library assistant here at the Maricopa Public Library. Today I'm going to show you how to make a bird feeder out of a mason jar, a wooden spoon, and some ribbon. So all these materials I got at the Dollar Tree. For this purposes, we're just going to use a little spoon like this. You're going to take your mason jar and you want to just use a little bit of tape to attach the spoon to the jar, so it stays in place while you're tying your ribbon. So I have about 1.5 yards of burlap ribbon. It has some wire in it, so that you're going to want to get something with wire on this side. It's easy to bend and fold. So in this particular project, I did fold my ribbon in half, and then you just start, once it's folded in half, you can iron it if you want a nice crease. It should keep the shape of it. So I started out on the bottom, and I just wrapped the ribbon around the mason jar. Doesn't have to be perfect. I just try to make it a little bit even. And you just want to wrap it a couple of times. Then when you get up to the top, you want to tie it in a knot. You want to make sure your ribbon is nice and tight around the jar. Around the handle. You know, this is all moving everywhere. Nice and tight. And then what you want to do is just tie a knot So the second knot is how you're going to attach it to a tree. You can attach it with wire or just through a branch. These are really made for the small little birds that visit your yard, because when they're going to sit on here, what you're going to do is pour your bird seed inside your cup. So the bird seed goes in there, or you can have a little bit out here on your wooden spoon, and then the bird can perch and eat. So it's a cute little craft. If the birds are out this time of year, it's not too hot, so you should be seeing a lot of birds in your yard. Thank you.